Streaming 3D vision models now handle over 10,000 continuous frames without re-optimizing whole scenes. 5 trending open-source tools are transforming modern developer workflows right now. These projects cover spatial intelligence, local AI review agents, fast linting, and self-hosted infrastructure. Quick one before we get into today's projects. If these breakdowns are useful, subscribe to Resource AI Hub. New videos land every week. Engineering teams face growing friction from cloud services that lock down data and add latency. Standard pull request reviews miss critical bugs because diff tools inspect changes in isolation. Meanwhile, cloud writing assistants transmit sensitive text to third-party servers on every key press. And this is where open-source engineering flips the script. Alibaba released Open Code Review to inspect Git diffs using dedicated agentic workers. The agent reads entire files and searches your repo before pinning comments to exact lines. You can execute it locally against any Git change using OpenAI or Anthropic API keys. Built-in rules inspect changed files for thread safety, null risks, cycle injection, and XSS. Review takes an entirely different approach to environment tracking using raw Wi-Fi signals. Every router floods rooms with radio waves that shift whenever people move or breathe. It captures channel state information from low-cost ESP32 nodes to detect human presence and motion. The software estimates breathing rates, recognizes activity, and senses presence through walls in complete darkness. For written text, Harper replaces remote cloud spell checkers with a local Rust daemon. It connects to VS Code, NeoVim, Helix, Emacs, Zed, Obsidian, and web browsers. The linter runs in milliseconds while keeping all writing strictly on your local machine. Harper compiles directly to WebAssembly through Harper.js for client-side browser deployments. Lingbot Map introduces a feed-forward 3D foundation model built for streaming video reconstruction. Its geometric context transformer utilizes paged KV cache attention to process continuous video streams. It combines coordinate grounding, pose reference windows, and trajectory memory to eliminate spatial drift. Here is what that execution looks like in practice. Point it at a walkthrough video to render interactive point clouds directly in your browser. Model weights and demo datasets ship on Hugging Face for offline rendering and testing. For self-hosted media infrastructure, Jellyfin offers a fully independent server alternative to Plex. Built on SQL and .NET, the backend uses FFmpeg to transcode streams directly to client devices. There are no premium subscription tiers, paywalled features, or tracking mechanisms included. Operating these projects requires setting up hardware nodes and managing local system resources. Setup involves flashing sensor nodes, configuring editor LSFs, and downloading model weights. These tools pay off for privacy engineers, robotics researchers, and self-hosted system architects. Local computing now delivers performance comparable to cloud services with total data ownership. Check out the links in the description below to inspect these open-source repositories today.